Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Dungeon 149. So on Thursday I will be filming World's Strongest Dungeon 150, and I got two new engines which I'll be revealing in the World's Strongest Dungeon. So yeah, let's get started with Diesel versus Original Thomas. Diesel wins to the next round. Next up, we are having Molly versus Harvey. Molly wins to the next round. And now, Oliver versus Toby. Finishing up the quarterfinals, it's Freddy versus Toby Percy. It's time for the semi-finals with Diesel versus Molly. What a comeback! Molly goes on to the finals. Who will she face? Freddy or Toby? It's time for the final round. Molly versus Freddy. Molly is the winner. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.